the time I come find I finish both to quick. One of the give them us. May wise don't come up from my
How?
Why would you?
He's not going to sleep here.
But
He's not living here.
No.
We will talk, and the way I can bring her come, I will
now
go. If your wife sleep for my house,
okay,
and you are not there with us, would you be 100% comfortable?
if you did not call me?
my wife call your house. You know them say wife come your house.
It's okay.
I see the phone they talk. They tell me say what I want to do.
You behave yourself.
You see they talk rubbish for your mouth.
Behave yourself.
Say me I know.
Behave yourself.
Say me I know. Say my wife sleep for your
Me,
house.
you stop.
I even tell her say, give me power. Let me call authorities. Bomb men, yo, bullshit. Make I carry police, carry them to go. May you forget rest.
Say Maraba.
No Maraba.
Look at Maraba. Mona, they listen to me. I want to talk because among everybody right here, no let me don't injure.
Say me say condition when I put that.
Put him in that condition. How you put that for the condition?
So for now, I am going to carry him.
You came to
You see, but he's going to stone you.
Stop this thing. That's what
He's going to stone you. Come and say they go.
Wait.
No, I respect you. See, bro. I respect you.
Let me tell you, can come now?
See,
Wait, hold on.
I respect you.
Now me collect him number. Now me call him.
Calm down. Give him us. Hold on. This guy will come up. David, give you what? What is your problem? Calm down.
I don't talk to you. Wait.
Make it
See him no go. Now me carry
abomination. Which abomination? Guys, stand up. You didn't go for abomination. You don't know what you worry you now.
Stop now. Calm down.
You see you.
Wise one. There you did.
You see you a guy. You don't go respect you. Don't worry you.
Respect yourself.
I will punch you. You see you go respect him. Wise one. Wise one.
Give me water, my
Wise one. You don't enter my trap. I swear to God. I will punch you.
David, I don't like this. I like coming here now.
You see this 2024.
I like.
Stop dancing. Stop this thing. No, let this guy come up from my house.
Stop this thing. Calm down, we will talk.
Why some of you come my house without my notice?
But I gave you a notice. I told you he was coming.
Why you come to my house?
Let me invite him. I tell you. I don't tell you. The last time I called you, I tell you. No, I was not joking. I told you I was going to bring him here. There's an allegation against him and he needs to speak. Calm down now. What did they do you?
The girl said they owe you.
No, just stop there. You're going to talk like that. You won't be back for your house.
No.
Sit down here. We'll talk.
Famous, no.
Let's talk.
See this guy.
Sit down, let's talk.
Nothing will talk for you. This guy come up.
He's not going to sleep here. He go still go last, but we'll talk.
What is it?
What is this one now?
No. Wait till you sit down. Sit down, John.
See, you don't almost want to injure me now. Calm down.
You don't expect to give him a shot on your house. Somebody left every of his sisters that is doing today. Say, okay, make him come. She went to the Mary. Tell me, okay, I'm the only brother. You give him us. May wise don't come up from my house.
How?
Why would you?
He's not going to sleep here.
He's
not living here. We will talk, and the way I can bring her come, I will go. Calm down.
Now I want to come up for you. My wife call your house. You know them say my wife come your house.
It's okay.
I see the phone they talk. They tell me say what I want to do.
You allege something. You say your wife sleep for your house. Your wife says you don't let her explain. It's okay. Now in the
why you tell me my wife?
It's okay.
I don't talk. You cannot get me sorry. Who you be?
Wait.
Who you be?
Calm down.
For my house. It's okay. Now what is this one now? Or they give this guy Mora. Which Mora? You say Mora. Give wise for Mora. For my house.
Stop.
calm down, let them.
Do you think I brought him here because I like what he did?
He didn't worry you.
You think I brought him here to support him?
Calm down.
Guy,
don't put my for this.
For this thing when they do say, I think they do.
Stop this thing. I don't see stop this thing.
I want to see you
Stop this thing.
Not you first time.
I feel you.
Don't
You know how you can start it.
Let's come fair. Make I feel every time I come fair. I feel it's not I feel it's not too quick. The pity this guy.
Stop this thing now. Stop this thing. And they stress me.
Ah God.
Guys, don't stop this. I'll go for your house.
You will lie. You're not going to beat me at you. You're not going to beat me at you. Come on this way. But he's going to stone you.
Stop this thing.
I'm going to stone you. Ah God, no. But I don't know how this is going to be. Jesus. Ah. Do you know my problem? If you do this and finish, I will call whole chest for me. My chest. And I think I name Mary. You know, they run everywhere. Oh God. Not give yourself a guy.
I'm not even like visitor talk.
I
am not talking to you. I am not even talking to you. I am not talking to you.
You are the cause of the problem.
Because of the problem. Because of the problem. Don't do
condition when I
you think I put him in that condition? Why you put that for the condition?
So for now, I'm not going to carry him. No.
You came to
You guys first to get married. How come one below 2 wives? Oh God. Oh God. Oh God. I've told you before, Dickin, you are here. Bear me witness to this I'm saying today. If anything should happen to him, I will print polo. I'll bring invite for you. I have had enough.
Is it that you'll print polo?
I can't contain all this.
Let's get come off my
You
house.
will not shut up your mouth.
Let's get come off my house.
Look at you.
Wait, let us
What
talk.
happened to me?
Sit down and let's talk this thing.
I don't hear you.
Don't sit down.
Bring Joy, go and get water. Drink water for him to drink.
No, come back, madam.
Come back.
No. No. I said it's my brother. Let me go and bring water. No.
Joy, bring water.
When he sucked my breast, when he was sucking this breast, where were you?
Oh, you were sucking your
When he
breast.
was sucking my breast, where were you?
Look
Where
at
were
us.
you?
Why?
When I was
You have
giving you food,
become
where were you?
so
When I was
shameless.
giving you are the one that is
You have
shameless.
become
Why am
so
married?
shameless. Mannerless woman. And I don't want. Tomorrow somebody will say, go and marry this kind of person and put in my house. You are very lucky. Ogangwa, Osune. My chest.
Let's get come off my house.
Why you go come out?
See, you don't injure me.
Look at Dickin that came to your house.
Don't injure me. Look at my hand. Now, you weigh the video. This year.
See, I did not open the water. Before they say I want to put something inside water.
You know they had you now.
I did not open it though.
Fly
and
no.
I want to just open it.
Fly no how they take soft flour. Nah.
Is it how to
Oh,
open
Yeah,
it?
drink
Drink
water, let's talk, please.
Famous.
Why am I sitting down close to this
I
guy?
need to start going to the island.
Famous.
No, talk.
I need to talk anything. Let's get
Come
come
on.
off my house.
Drink water first.
I'm not green.
Okay, drink water.
Drink water first.
Drink water first. Drink water.
Stop this drama now. Drink water first.
Hey.
Why they do like woman? Yourself and tasty wait.
If I tell you, I take confused. You. I'm respecting you.
It's okay. Calm down. She's on this side. Good. Now that I have your attention, wise one. First of all, Lemon, try and hold yourself, because you don't stress me too much. Try and get a hold of yourself and try to be in your best behavior so that we can talk things over and I will start going to the island. I have a very, very long journey this night. Please. Now, wise one, are you aware that there was a time Lemon told his 2 wives to go on vacation?
Yeah, I'm aware very much. You told me.
Where do you think Joy went?
He said he got a place for them to stay separately.
The Joy stayed. I mean Joy. This was Joy.
I was not with her, so I wouldn't know. But the discussion we had, he said he got a place for them to stay.
So how come you have no idea where Joy stayed?
Because we are not in good terms. I
So
wouldn't
who
know.
are you in good terms with? Mary.
Yeah, of course.
That means you know where Mary slept or where Mary stayed.
No. Mary was staying where he kept for her to stay.
So is it what do you call that thing? Sarah.
Now what happened? Can I come in now?
Hold on. No, I know. You will explain, but just answer a few questions. So the Saraka you people went for.
Yeah.
Where was the pickup point from where Una starts? That's Waka.
She came to my place.
Good. So that's where I was going to. How come you are saying she stayed?
No, you said where they got her to stay for the holiday.
And I asked.
But carry your better person go front. Carry your goodness go front.
No, wait.
Don't
And I
pass me
said,
that
do you
thing.
know?
I know it's a
Do
story.
you have an idea where Mary stayed? You said she stayed at the place Lemon got from.
That was what
them
he
to
told me,
stay.
so of course she was there.
So was it not the same time that he asked them to go on vacation that Mary stayed at your place?
No, it was even long.
So
Then
when
we left him.
has Mary ever spent any night in your house?
Yes.
Was her husband aware?
100% aware.
You told him that
He
his
was
wife was going to spend
100%
nights in your house.
aware.
Lemon, are you aware? Were you aware of it? Did he tell you that your wife was going to sleep in his house?
Big lie.
Can you imagine?
So do you have any evidence to prove that?
I
was
wish
aware?
I screen recorded the video call we had.
So it's just a wish, so no evidence.
I wish I screen recorded the video call
lie.
But
that we
then
had.
I'm asking now. I
But
want to ask
wait,
you now.
how? You wait, famous.
On
I
what
want to hear
basis?
it.
On
How
what
possible?
basis?
Okay,
On
can I
what
do
You want
basis?
my wife to sleep
Can
for
I
your
do
house.
Yes.
And I
On
want
what
what
basis can his wife sleep in your house?
Can I
Go to the key. If they live
What?
here.
What? If you die,
Come and support me.
behave yourself.
David.
Then what you behave yourself.
Then leave me here, bro.
Behave yourself.
You see, they talk rubbish for your mouth.
Behave yourself.
Say me, I know.
Behave yourself.
Say me, I know. Say my wife sleep for your house.
Behave yourself.
David.
I'm
you
sorry.
stone.
I beg, no vex.
Now me and the TV.
I don't mind, eh? I don't mind if I go down, but I don't say if I go down, they go down with me, bro.
Who will go down with you?
Bro.
You will go down alone. Ultimately, I give this thing that you will go down alone.
Wise one.
He dey here.
Wise one, mind your words. Bro.
I don't mind that too much.
No, mind your words. No, wise one, mind your words. For road. I don't mind, eh? Mind your words. I don't mind saying anything they do me. But if I go down, you go down with me.
Looking at the hear you. So we go down alone. On what? Because where you go, don't let you go. I will know nobody's going down with you.
So on what basis will somebody's wife have to sleep in your house, your friend's wife?
Nah, let me come.
You
in
think
there.
it's proper? If you
Let
like
me come in there.
Wait, just are you? I told you are going to explain, but just I just want us to have a chit chat. Please sit down. So, if your wife sleep for my house,
Okay.
and you are not there with us, would you be 100% comfortable?
If you did not call me.
Ah, shit.
When you called him,
Yes.
and you told him his wife was going to sleep.
His wife was there.
So-
He called. He talked for video.
Okay, hold on, just pause. Mary, did he call your husband that you were going to stay at his place?
You showed me on video call that I was talking to him.
Did you hear the conversation?
I didn't really
I would not
so
even want to
they
say.
even just-
Wait, allow her talk
Oh.
now. She did not hear the conversation. All right?
Okay.
Even though
We
she
bad
saw
friend.
that you were
See
talking
you.
on video call. See, personally, I am not suspecting you of anything. Neither am I suspecting Mary of anything, because to a large extent, she knows her values as a married woman. And
Thank you.
Mary, I don't think Mary can sleep with another man, let alone her husband's friend.
Thank you.
But what I'm saying is, such facts or truth cannot be proven in circumstances like this. True or false?
Do you want me to talk or I should finish? I should listen to
You just answer my questions. You
No,
talk.
I'll allow you finish before I talk.
So do you think you can prove that Mary slept in your house? If he starts to lay claims that you slept with his wife, there's nothing you can do about it.
He will bring the proof.
Tell him,
because
you have tell him because he be fool.
He will bring
You know anything. That means
Now,
you are not
you're not.
So go ahead, you can talk.
Now, the second day while we're talking, he even shared something with me, a good news. I would not want to say it online, whereby we all were rejoicing. He spoke to everybody. We talked. Now, where this thing came and what happened? This happened 24th December last year. He started talking about it 2 days. He started talking about it days ago. Because he knows.
Same Christmas.
Hold on, 24th that led to Christmas Day.
Okay.
He started talking about it because he knows I was now on the side of Mary. Don't leave. Now, something that happened 24th rather. We talk for video call.
What's your relationship with him? He's your friend.
More than a friend, sir. So
But
no,
don't
Why
you
is,
think
famous?
your involvement in
Famous.
his marriage is sweet? Sorry.
Famous.
Don't you think your
Can
involvement
you-
in his
let
marriage
me
is
finish.
too much?
Let me just.
This guy is a
As a
woman
friend.
rapper.
Let me just finish.
The woman rapper.
Say man rapper.
No blame
Woman
on
rapper.
me.
Look at man rapper.
Mona they listen to me
Famous.
if I want to talk because
Yeah,
among
see,
everybody
all you
wey
can
dey
do is
here,
right now.
no let me don injure. So Mona
Now.
just the
Okay,
Mona
now.
calm down.
This year I said to myself, I am not nearing here.
Okay.
Concerning I saw what he posted the 2nd of January. They were having just another here. 2 a.m. This guy will be calling me on phone. My house is on fire. Where are you? My house is on fire. Come and help me. If you know, watch the video now. I don't go rest. You know there
The
was
same time
somewhere
you call
very
the
far. I
second
had to
you
fly
come.
bike. Me and the enter bike like small people they looking for. What if I had had an accident? Just to hurry and reach here, everything just scatter. Bro, what happened? He said, Mary should go. Mary should go. What did Mary do you? I said, why are you going to pursue the girl? You told me you were having issues with her. Probably because you were thinking the whatever miscarriage did not happen. Maybe she removed the picking also. You were having issues with her. How you take concern Mary?
Famous.
Hold on. Where he got angry, he is very manipulative. If person not there inside, you go find what you want to talk about.
Okay.
Now, even if you spoke to your wife in my place, everybody there, you saw my family, everybody there, we don't dare, they laugh, they talk. He pay you. Bro, me, I will tell you immediately. My wife no tell me say they call your side or what happened. Immediately, if it's what you end with, I'm sorry immediately. You were laughing, you were okay, you were happy with it. We went somewhere even after Christmas. Everybody there happy.
Yeah.
Because I not support you now to chase Mary away. Because I'm not standing on your side. That Mary has no right to leave your own house. Because I know you. If they go now, give him how many hours now he go call them come back. He cannot stay alone.
Why is there when I talk about?
He cannot stay alone. Allow them go. I even tell her, say, give me power. Let me call authorities. Born Mary, but she. Let the carry police, carry them to go. May you forget rest. Because why? Each time we fall sick, my sister is a
Don't say about Mary.
Let me talk. Let me talk.
No.
Shut up. My sister is a
See, better separate yourself from my side.
My left hand, Makachineke, open
You only said you want to carry police. You then I am looking for the police.
Alex, you won't do that.
now.
This one is a woman beater. I'm not even surprised.
Why they threaten your brother and wife with
Imagine, I don't know who gave you the audacity.
Calm down.
The effrontery.
Now, each time he's sick, he will tell me, call your sister. My sister is a nurse. She will come here, fix drip on him. Do you know that I go here? I say, although you did, what did they worry? You say you want drip and the rest of them. Are you okay? If you want these people to go, talk out with your mouth. Don't be there, go. Tomorrow, now you go carry them. Come back. Because I said Mary is not going. What did she do you? I thought we settled this thing.
You did not only say that.
Let me finish talking. They allow you
Famous.
Famous.
He did not only say that. He came to my house.
I was still talking.
He came to my house and he said, Mary, will allow me to talk this one.
And it's not lie. You will not cut me.
He said,
I will not finish.
Are you okay?
You will not cut me.
You guys will punch you. I will deck you.
Your hand will hang for
I will
us.
deck
That has reached down. You've already told them I'm a shrine.
Bro, I will deck
If
you.
you carry that and go up, if you come down, know that it's not me.
Look at this evil human being.
You don't talk about that.
Bro, I will deck
There
you.
is nothing. Raise her up.
It's okay.
Raise it up and see if you bring it down.
It will bring it down.
I thought you were answering my
Based on
question.
what-
Now I'm asking you.
Wait.
Let me finish talking to you. Let me finish talking.
This guy, eh?
What I'm thinking,
to say
listen,
is that
thinking you go hear me. No. You will not
Okay.
cut me.
This was of
You will not cut me.
Wait,
Came to
let
my
me-
house.
not saying anything.
Just allow them to-
They
They tell me the phone and go in your house. Are you okay?
Allow Dickie talk. Make him finish.
Allow
There's nothing
Dickie
this guy
talk.
wants to say.
Now,
He was already talking. Wait, let him.
now, because I have known my friend very well. If you are not on his side, you are a bad person.
Okay.
Last year when I was on his side, because
never
Mary
come
was messing up.
You never call me bad brother.
We be good people. Hey, someone said I help accomplishment, and I was not
Day
even.
one person
Hold on, no, I was not even doing it because of him.
souls.
I was not. Look at somebody calling people.
I am.
Allow them go if you
I
want
am
them to
evil.
go. If not, you are using them to
Wait,
get
I am
something.
evil.
Allow them go.
David, the image am I saying I am evil?
Now he smart
Me
thing. He
Alex.
go carry for biggie. They call me. Come back.
Don't worry.
Where you dey? Where you dey do that? I came that day. He said,
I caused this upon
the reason I
myself.
said,
Thank God.
Mary,
I
why
caused
would
all
Mary
this
go?
upon myself.
Did Mary do you anything?
Hey!
Dickie came here last year. We settled everything with that. What's the problem? He said, in 1 year, make everybody come out. Make everybody come out. I'm not seeing they behave. If you tell them they go now. On that, I'll give you 24 hours. They will all come back. I'm not. I said, okay, you want Mary to go? Mary, oh yeah, come. Go my side. Go relax. I'm not saying my family and everybody is there. Hold on, let me finish talking. It is wrong. Now it is wrong. I agree with the fact that it is wrong. But now if you know,
If you
let me
admit
finish talking.
that is wrong, hold
Let
on.
me-
Sorry, you are going to continue. But if you admit that what you did was wrong,
Okay.
then the argument will reduce.
It's not. The argument is
Why are we
because
dragging
now
it?
he is dragging it. He
said
said
sorry.
something. He said, me tell you sorry. Hear me. Dickie, let me finish.
Do you know how many people
Dickie, let me finish talking.
You are looking for sorry.
He is looking. Look at who is looking for sorry.
Look at
Look at embarrass the two wives. Call them rubbish names.
Are you talking about the two wives? Me, come. How about me?
So sorry, they sweet you.
Have you not insulted? Have
Yeah,
you ever
sorry.
said sorry to me?
Alex.
Now he brought up the
Don't
issue.
worry.
He was okay with it since 24th, 25th, 26th, 27th, 28th, 29th, 30th, 31st, 1st, 2nd, 3rd. Because I stand against them saying I lie this one, I don't go agree. Because the members say, hey, on the 21st, when they come when we talk on video call, I don't tell what he show me where all of us they take the hey, wow, this is good news, hey, it's nice. Let's leave that aside. Because I was not on your side now, automatically, you don't remember say, oh, when they come you ask that time, oh, start to use that define talk. He wants shift attention. Try ask now, okay, Joy, what happened to that baby? What's happened? You go see him.
You go twist.
He go divert attention.
So why are
You brought Mary out of it, you go fight. He's always
Wait till concern you with the baby. What?
It's not about, I will not talk again.
Guys, don't talk.
I was just talking what
Now
happened
say you
before.
dey look for baby pic,
I was just-
baby
I was
blood.
just saying
You
what
want me
happened
to have miscarriage on your hand? You are looking for
Very manipulative.
Dickie.
Don't be on his side now that you will see how he acts. You will see the kind of person he
Funny
is.
enough, I'm not even on anybody's side.
Dickie, I understand. I know you're not on
Nonsense.
anybody's side.
Alex,
But
yes,
this,
yes.
you see this issue. See, that is why sometimes if I look at my brother, I will tell you he's acting under manipulation. I have the feeling that something is manipulating him. Because the questions he's supposed to be asking, or that Jojo, that's straight.
If you try ask him now, he will twist it.
Now, okay, he's against this Joy, that Joy should go. Joy should go. What prompted Joy to go? He was the person that brought up the issue of the pregnancy, that he's not sure that Joy had miscarriage, that Joy should tell him what happened to his baby.
Is he put that
All of a sudden, within the twinkle of an eye, my brother just changed
swapped
everything.
Into
Now he's no longer asking
another
of the baby.
into see
He's
ginger
no longer-
when they get now.
He's no longer asking of, wait, hold on. He's no longer asking of.
Joy was pregnant.
Hey.
And to the best of my knowledge, she had miscarriage, right?
Baba,
what
miscarriage
was
of
the- I
baby
want
of
to
5
know-
months. Which doctor come out and which hospital?
I take if that's the